Hey guys, so today I'm gonna come to the Houston Zoo. Actually, I'm already here. I like to get out to the zoo sometimes. I know they got a new exhibit. The last time I was here, we got to see the Galápagos Islands exhibit, but today there is a new bird exhibit. I like to see what they do here, some changes. So come along with me and we'll check it out. All right, so our first stop in the zoo is the Galápagos Islands exhibit.
At the back. He's going away.
They did a great job in here. All right, so we came back, swung around to the Galápagos Islands exhibit. This turtle is asleep, I guess. Go inside and see what's changed since the opening when we were here last time. Alright, so we make ourselves, make our way in.
How many iguanas is there, Ashton?
Oh, wow. Those are iguanas, baby, not chameleons.
Find a giant iguana. There's another one in there somewhere. We're in the back here.
Oh, look, this is the backside.
We can go up there if we want. Let's see what's in here.
If you pee on yourself, we're going home.
Okay, I hope you didn't hear that. Earlier there were little sea lions out here, probably just
Actually, look, there's
chilling somewhere else. I don't see them. Alright. Little low light area. We're walking downhill. Oh, there's a big tunnel. Where are we going? Oh, there's another aquarium down here. Oh, they took the little papers off. There we go. There he goes, little guy.
Look, later. Look, at me. Look, they're swimming.
Yeah, they're swimming. Yeah. Bless you.
Look, Snoopy, see him swimming?
I'm gonna go up to the top, go back to the bottom. Oh boy. Alright, got some jellyfish in here. Alright, and here is another aquarium. Gotta fit in here. There's a lot of people today. There's sharks and stuff in there. Ooh, there he goes. Oh, there's a sea turtle down there.
Look at the shark. Look at the shark. See the shark?
Lazy. Shark.
Give me look.
Oh, piggy.
Right there.
Flashing bubbles? Yeah, it does look like it from splashing bubbles. Yeah, it's all right.
Penguins at the Houston Zoo. That little guy. Swimming. What you doing down there? I was laughing. A little time. Oh, he's walking up the stairs. Oh man, these things are popular. Alright. And this is where the zoo is, Eva. Chris, do you know where we're at? Well, you got two choices. Yes, Galápagos. Okay. Baby. Hi, turtle.